we're gonna do a little video on cable management and hand wrap. So when I set up my light, I try not to make like a super sharp turn in your wire or cable, because that's when you start pinching wires, and then that's when I'll start like shorting that out a little bit. So just kind of make sure there's a nice bend. And I like the Streamlights because they come with this little Picatinny mount for your switch, and it has a little cable slot right there. And then I just zip tie the whole switch down just for more security. So right here, how this is all loose and stuff, we're gonna zip tie that down. And with this, you want it at a pretty nice angle, but still loose enough where you can get this cap off to put lights in, because this switch connector is in there. Like, you can't just take that out like other Surefires or the second gen of this. So you need to take a zip tie, bend it a little bit so you get that nice little hook, go right in, and then you can use your little extra tool that you're going to use to like cut it or whatever, or make it a little bit more aggressive, like so. So when you go in, I'll just pop right out on the other side. Zip tie that down, get it pretty tight, as tight as you can get it. So that's good. The next one you want to focus up on the most, probably put it like right there. So this is still loose enough where you can unscrew it and put it back on. So you're gonna get another zip tie. And depending on what kind of rail, what gun, and all that, it's going to change. So if you're running a small gun, like anything that's like probably sub 7-inch rail, or like even smaller than that, like so once you get into 9mm and some 300 blackouts, I would suggest almost just running your light on your other hand, non-dominant side. So when you are gripping right here, you don't have room for all this, so you can just keep the tail cap on that like majority of them come with, so you can still actuate it, and it's right there. You don't got to worry about this or all that cable if you have a smaller rail. Got that. Zip tie that down. When you cut these, you want to cut them flat, just like as flat as possible, close to the thing. So if you rub against it, it's not gonna fuck up your hand or anything like that. Nice and smooth. And for taping, just to cover this up, give a little bit of protection, I guess, and a little bit more feel, you get like goon tape or hockey tape. This is just regular hockey athletic tape. Get it started, and I'm gonna start right on top, right across that connection, because that's usually the first thing to go, are the connectors. So get one good pass going, try to get it flat, stay flat, move it back a little bit, then you're gonna make a jump across like so. Kind of get it stuck, and then you can kind of form it to how you want. And you can go back across, and then kind of end right here, and then do one more pass on the other side, so you just kind of make it look the same on both. both little triangles on both sides. Make that nice and flat, and you're good. Your wrap's done. Your cable's protected right where it comes out. Nice management. Still loose enough where you can get that off if you want and put that new battery in. Good stuff. All right.